In this tutorial I will show you how to turn day to night in Photoshop. Pick Rectangular Marquee tool. And select all windows. Create a solid color adjustments layer. Paste this color code. Click OK. Create a color lookup adjustments layer. Change this to Moonlight. Select the mask layer. Increase feather. It will make edges softer. Then change blend mode to linear dodge. Right-click and choose Blending Options. Click on Outer Glow. And follow these settings. Select Mask Layer. Pick soft rounded brush. Make sure foreground color is white. Paint on lights. Create a solid color adjustments layer. Paste this color code, then click OK. Select the mask and press Ctrl or Command I to invert. Change blend mode to overlay. Pick brush and decrease flow around 20%. And follow the process. This is the final result.